having that snore. I just love it. It is the biggest turn on in the world to me is to have a woman laying on my chest. I like when you when you lay your head in my lap and you just sound like a little bow. Oh, just knowing. And some of y'all, ladies, some of y'all even get it on your own, got your own little rhythm and all. And you know what I really love is when you snoring. And then she what you mean? Ain't nobody talking to you, babe. Little yogi. I call it little yogi. Little yogi bow. Hey, lady. Oh, boy. Ooh, that turned me on. I'm talking about y'all be getting a little rhythm and everything. Sound like a little raffle. I'm here to tell you, it ain't nothing, and I repeat, nothing that pisses me off more than these motherfucking shoes. Right here. Yeah, right motherfucking here. Can you see them? Right motherfucking here. Ain't nothing. And I mean nothing. Piss me off more than these motherfucking shoes. Right now. I just left the mall right now. 20 minutes ago. Just see my motherfucking cousin with a pair of motherfucking pink ones on. Pink ones. Right here. Them. She had them on. Come motherfucking shit. Cub. Ain't no motherfucking cub. Not with them on. Don't come motherfucking call my name in front of all these motherfucking people. You walk around with 2 motherfucking poodles on your motherfucking feet. Don't come call me no motherfucking cuz. Ain't no motherfucking cuz. Was your motherfucking cuz. Ain't your motherfucking cuz. Not with them on. Not me. And I already made my mind up. If I gotta go to motherfucking jail, that's just what's gonna happen. Cause you know what? Next time you walk up to me with them on, I'm gonna dash them up. Motherfucking water. That's exactly what I'm gonna pour on them. And they gonna look like a wet motherfucking puppet. Exactly what's gonna motherfucking happen. Water. Cause that's the only way to motherfucking kill them. You all in the motherfucking airport with these shits on. All in the motherfucking restaurant. 5-star restaurant. All in the motherfucking mall. They motherfuckers come in every color. Lime, green, yellow, purple, brown, black, red, white, navy blue, watermelon, grape, 9 later. Motherfuckers come in all kind of colors, man. It ain't nothing I hate more than these motherfuckers. It's these shoes first and motherfucking black and mild second. These first, black and mild motherfucking second. And if Joe Biden, if you motherfucking listening, I'm asking you for one favor. Sign a motherfucking executive order. Yeah, executive motherfucking order and make the motherfucking manufacturers stop motherfucking making them. I'm sick and tired of these motherfuckers. Them, boy. Motherfucking. I don't even know what they motherfucking call. What these shits even called? Any motherfucking way. Look like you supposed to be in a motherfucking circus. Walking all motherfucking around like you on the motherfucking runway, sliding your motherfucking feet. See that? Pour water on them motherfuckers. Hey, deal.